This is how you can buy a $69 million Beeple art piece for just $1,000. It's called tokenization, and it allows you to own a fraction of something that would otherwise be way too expensive. With tokenization, you're able to invest in the best of the best private deals. That is, if the owner decides to tokenize. One of the benefits of tokenization is the ability to break down an asset into smaller pieces. This is referred to as fractionalization, and then representing those pieces digitally with tokens on a blockchain. Firstly, it enables fractional ownership of unique assets like art, real estate, or bonds. And secondly, it establishes you as the rightful owner with public proof that you actually own a percentage of this famous piece of art. And you can bank on it, and I'm not kidding. You can use it as collateral. Now, this means that multiple people can own a percentage of the same asset without having to buy the entire thing outright. Everybody benefits.